Eco-friendly hacks, no stress, just fun. Candle melts, make mermaid done, you already won. From kitchen glow up to cozy corner dreams, your home tells your story louder than it seems.